And you know what? Yeah, we should actually write a test for this, right? So let's do function test can't enter when raffle is calculating. Public vm.prank player. Let's actually enter the raffle as well. So we'll do raffle.enter raffle. Value will be the entrance fee. Now that we've actually entered the raffle, we do need to go ahead and kick off a perform upkeep, right? We need to, the perform upkeep is going to set the raffle to a calculating state, right? So in order to do this, we need check upkeep to return true. So we got to do all this stuff. First thing we got to do is we got to pass enough time. Now, this is where there's more Foundry cheats. So when we're working on a forked chain or a local chain, we can actually set the block time and the block number to whatever we want. There's a cheat code called vm.warp, which sets the block to timestamp. And there's also a cheat called vm.roll, which sets the block number. So what we're going to do is we're going to do both of those. We're going to say vm.warp, the current block.timestamp, plus the interval, and then we'll do +1 just to make sure we're absolutely over the interval. And we're also going to do vm.roll, whatever the current block.number is, +1. We don't have to do this, but I like to do an extra block in my test if I'm also changing the time. Now that we've done that, we should be able to call perform upkeep, and we'll just pass some empty data. So we'll say raffle.perform upkeep. And now that we've done this, it should be in a calculating state. So we shouldn't be able to enter the raffle. So if I do vm.expect revert with the revert from enter raffle, which is going to be this raffle not open. So we can say raffle not open selector. Again, we'll explain selector later, but I'll do vm.prank the player. So this is saying the next real call is going to revert. This is saying the next real call is going to be pretended to be with the player. So it's going to be with the player. So we'll say raffle.enter raffle value entrance fee, and this should revert here. So we can test this, forge test-m, paste that in. And we get a different error. We get this invalid consumer error.